Hi, hello. My name is Teacher Lazaya, and I am from South Africa. I speak two languages, Afrikaans and English. In my free time, I like to listen to music and I love traveling. I am a qualified English teacher with both a TEFL and a TESOL certification. I've more than 5 years experience in teaching beginners and intermediate students. I also hold a life coaching diploma which deepened my understanding of self-development, motivation, and empowerment. Key principles that now shape my teaching approach. My lessons is interactive, goal and result driven. I make my classes a safe and comfortable, non-judgmental zone where students can learn, make mistakes, laugh it off, build confidence, improve their English, and have a whole lot of fun doing so. So, why wait? Book your English trial lesson now so we can get to know each other and start having fun chasing your English dream. I'm so excited to take this journey with you. Hope to see you in my next class. Bye.